We get it. You're a child of the new age, opinionated, independent, loud, unafraid to take a stand. You're out of the box, walking a path of your own while others test the well-trodden road. You're always aiming high, testing the limits, pushing boundaries, believing you can do and be more. And that's why we are where you want to be. We want to give you the opportunities to learn, to grow, to reach your goals. We want you to imagine yourself as a young invincible, a different kind of thinker. Because, let's face it, that's what you are. So register for the Audit Graduate Program at Deloitte and take your place in the Young Invincibles Society.